What you're going to do is you're going to take your oven rack, you're going to lay your jerky out on your oven rack. We're going to leave about a finger length between our jerky. This is going to allow the air within our oven to be able to transfer around that meat and dry it out. What you're going to do is you're going to set your oven to the lowest setting it's going to go. We don't want to cook this jerky. We want this jerky to dry. If we put it too high in our oven, what's going to happen is we're going to bake it, and it's not going to have that same process as you would want it when you bite into a piece of jerky. It's going to be more of a piece of boot leather. So it's up to you on how you want to do it. If you want boot leather, turn it all the way up. So you're going to set it to about 120, 130. You're going to place this in the oven rack, and what you're actually going to do is you're going to kind of crack your oven open just a little bit, and you're going to let these dry for about 8 to 10 hours. One thing when you get it is you can actually kind of pick it. If you can still kind of bend it, it still needs a little more time. You're going to see fat and moisture actually come out. If you see that, just dab it with a paper towel, put it right back in, and let it rest.